Alright, so it looks like AMD, it pretty much double bottomed here. So what I went ahead and did is I bought a $58 call on AMD for 191 when it was about, I want to say 57.73 or so. I believe it's probably going to bounce up. The VWAP is at 58.19. So with that 58 call, I have it until June 19th. So I'm going to try and swing that with my spare cash flow. As you can see, it dropped just a little bit when I bought it. But overall, AMD is already winning for me. And my intention was to pick up this 58 call and slowly sell some of these 54 calls. I only have two of them. I want to close these 54s by the end of the day if it runs up really, really fast. If it doesn't run up really, really fast, then I'll probably hold them all. That way I'll have these two AMD spreads on a swing. Make some money there, maybe lose some money here, or lose a little bit of money here, or make money here and make money here. For work, I want to close at 32.50 today, and I want to swing this $33 call. So overall, I do want to close this one, at least liquidate, get some cash flow, and then possibly close out my 54s to get some cash flow. So overall, if everything works in my favor today, I should have about 1,000 cash flow by the end of the day, which can give me enough to do a day trade either tomorrow or the day after on Friday. And I'm going to try and close this week at 2,000. I was a little unfortunate that Pfizer didn't actually run like I thought it would, but nonetheless, being at 500 last week and being at 1,500 this week, it's been a really, really good run. It's been a pretty much 3x. I'm going to try and get that 4th x by getting 2,000 this week, but we'll see what happens. But pretty much my main update is I bought another AMD call right on this double bottom right here, because usually when it has a double bottom, it usually continues to go up. The other thing that I see here is we have this ascending triangle. I draw this right here, right about there. So usually with an ascending triangle, it'll go up, down, and consolidate. And then this is the double bottom consolidation. It'll go sideways for a little bit, and then after going sideways, then there's going to be that squeeze where it's going to rally, and I'm pretty sure it'll probably go to like 58.50-ish. And depending on momentum, I want to sell these $54 calls right around 58.50. That way I have cash flow. But if it does continue running and the squeeze is, the squeeze bars get taller and taller, then I might actually hold it until 59 and then sell everything at 59 on the $54 calls, and then just hold that 58 just to see how far it'll ride out. Overall, the SPY is still struggling a little bit. I believe the Fed is going to pump tomorrow, but you'll never know exactly for sure. But looking at the SPY, the yellow line is below the purple line, and it is starting to go sideways a little bit, which is a pretty good indication that if it goes sideways, then it'll more likely go up a little bit more. Overall, SPY has gone down today just because all the airlines have pretty much sold off. So looking at American Airlines, pretty much sold off quite a bit. Looking at Delta, Delta sold off quite a bit. They're all starting to bounce up a little bit. So there will be a slight correction. These airlines would probably be something, if I were to have cash flow, I probably would day trade them either tomorrow or Friday, depending on how the momentum picks up. But I've been keeping an eye on them. And, whatever I do next, I'll give you guys an update.